Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your account is not banned, your network is stable, and your system meets Roblox requirements. Once done, restart your PC and router to clear transient network errors. Next, sign out of Roblox and sign back in to refresh sessions. Make sure to update Windows and your GPU drivers and install the latest Roblox client. This prevents mismatched protocol and corrupted files that commonly trigger error code 0. You now tackle the complex middle steps. Clear Roblox cache by deleting app data /local/Roblox and %temp% and uninstall duplicate or beta installs. Once done, disable VPN or proxy because they can block authentication. Make sure to change DNS to Cloudflare or Google to avoid ISP DNS issues. Also, inspect your firewall and antivirus. Add Roblox to trusted apps and ensure UDP ports in the 49,152 to 65,535 range are open so game traffic can pass cleanly. Finish by reinstalling Roblox cleanly. Uninstall, remove residual folders, then reinstall the latest client. Once reinstalled, verify with a different device or hotspot to see if the error is account-related or device/network specific. If the problem persists, collect Roblox logs and exact timestamps of failures. You can find logs in app data and browser console. Make sure to report these details when contacting Roblox support because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.